Welcome back to Lily's Everyday. Today we're going to be making French toast. For the French toast, we're going to be needing rustic French loaf bread or challah bread. Really, the bread is your choice, but you want to stick with something French based. We're going to be needing some eggs. The number of eggs that you use depends on the number of slices you plan to make. This is going to be good enough for about 8 pieces of bread. We're also going to need some butter, milk, any kind of milk that you choose is fine, vanilla, and salt. I'm going to go ahead and pour just a little bit of milk. And I'm just eyeballing all this real quick. Some vanilla. And this is what's going to give you that nice taste. And a dash of salt. I'm going to beat this up, soak some of my bread, and we'll be right back. I have a heavy set pan on medium high, and I have a half stick of butter in it warming up as I do my bread slices. What you simply want to do is dip it in the egg mixture and flip it. You don't want it to get too soggy, so you literally need a couple seconds per side for it to soak up the egg mixture. If you have a dry bread, say if it's day-old bread, it may soak up more liquid. And you're going to go ahead and put it in the pan. Once it's golden brown on both sides, you're going to take it out. And in between batches, you want to clean your pan so that you don't get any of the burnt pieces in there either. And you want to work with larger set bread slices or the slices that are about the same size so that you don't get burnt pieces in the pan as well. We'll be right back after we turn these and they're fully cooked. Alright, once they reach to a point where it's nice and golden brown, you want to flip them like that. And there you have our French toast. You want to give a little bit of powdered sugar to it too. And this is a perfect meal to make for breakfast, especially for Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, or just because it's so easy and it's so delicious. Pair it up with some fruit, jam, syrup, whatever you want to do, and you're good to go. I hope you guys try this recipe. If you do, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon again.